showing me. When I'm having a bad day, you don't judge me. Lay your head on my shoulders and comfort me.